This is a quick video on your finds. Okay, so on this shoe right here, as you can see, this black line is not on this shoe. So this, unfortunately, is not the same exact shoe as this one. So we can't buy it. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. The other thing is what we want you to do is always look at the fit as expected rate. And if the fit as expected is under 75%, then you need to look at it further and dig deeper and look at this, and then you need to look at this. If the fit as expected is 788, if this number is more than 10% of this, then we have to exclude it. So basically what that would mean is if this number was at 77 or under 78, we could buy it. But as you can see, it's at 210. So we would say, no, we're not going to buy it. And if that doesn't make any sense, let me know and I'll explain it further. Basically, the main thing we're doing here is we get too many returns, and what happens is if it's too small, people will keep it, or people will return it and send it back, and then we have to pay like $4 for each return. But let's say it's like somewhat large or too large, a lot of times people will just keep the shoe and live with it, and they won't return it. So that's essentially what we're doing, is if it's under this 10% on that. Now, if the fit as expected is over 75%, then you don't need to worry about it. You just look here, then you just move on, and you don't have to do anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.